Hello, Andy. Shannon Cowart with Tameron Hyundai. Lo and behold, a previous customer of mine was in getting their first free oil change and has this Marrakesh color that you were inquiring about. So let's kind of get right to it. I can only give you a couple of briefs on this car because keep in mind this does belong to a customer. But I wanted you to get a good feel of the outside color in the sunlight, and we're just going to simply show you the inside back to where you can get the color of the leather. Now, Indy, we are now going to switch over to where you can see the color of the Pompano red. So get a good feel all the way around, and then we're going to come in on the back side again where you can see the inside interior. Come through the back and you'll see the nice beige interior. Up front, we're going to give you a brief overview of the seats up front. Great. Now, Andy, I know you're waiting on the blue to hit our lot. We'll do another video on that at its arrival. My name is Shannon Cowart. Again, you can call me on my cell, 205-907-4700. Number at the dealership, 205-380-6250. Thank you.